Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Web Impact. So this is our new playlist which is of SQL. And in this video we will see what topics we will cover in this playlist. So first of all we will see introduction to SQL. In this we will get to know about database and also types of the database. And after that we will see what is SQL. Okay, and then we will create our first database with the help of queries, and after that we will see data types, and then we will get to know about types of SQL commands, and then we will see keys. Basically there are two types of keys, primary keys and foreign keys, and we will get to know about these keys in detail in our upcoming videos. After that we will see constants. So in SQL, constants is used to specify some rules. Okay, and then we will see select query, and after that we will get to know about clauses. So basically in SQL there are so many clauses, like where clause and group by clause and so on. And then we will get to know about operators, and after that we will get to know about aggregate functions, and after that we will see table related query, and then we will see most important topic, which is join in SQL and sub SQL queries. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Keep watching my channel.